Right, heads back, let's go. This one belongs to Michael Harris. Superstar. This was built in 1988 by Northern Amusements. We're down in Dartmouth Park in West Bromwich today. Nice to see the weather's a bit better because it threw it down yesterday. They had a private party.
Okay, you ready? Let's go!
I probably will have to come back a little bit for you. While we're waiting for it to just go up, I will just thank everybody who's been watching and subscribing. Thanks, folks. Yeah, I've been on this one before. I have noticed it just go quite fast before it takes off. Go on, send it.
Okay, put your hands up in your hair.
Right, let's take you back.
Okay, you ready? Somebody scream!
This is a Pat Collins funfair. There's a set of gallopers down here. Worth coming down to. It was built in 1894 and it used to belong to Pat Collins' mother, Maggie Collins. So that's certainly worth coming down to check out. I will be going on this shortly, so there will be an on-ride POV coming up on the channel. £10 tokens for a tenner. So these rides are working out at just £2 a go. Not the longest cycle I've ever seen for this particular superstar, but at £2, you can't really complain at that. There you go, Michael Harris on Funfair Audits UK.